go downstairs.
You got some sort of surprise going on? Some strippers? Oh, wow, dude, that's sick!
Dude, 100.
100,000 subscribers! Do you know how many? You don't know these stats, do you? Let's look at these stats, okay?
Nope.
321,000 YouTube channels have at least 100,000 subscribers. That sounds like a lot, but the reality is that's only 0.28% of all YouTube channels ever hit 100,000.
Oh, Bobby! Bobby's here! What's up, bro? What's up? Subto, baby!
Subto.
Oh, dude, that's so great. Dude, thank you, Bobby. Wow.
Ace, when did you get more into the content side of things about what you do?
Well, I always, like when I was doing deals, when I first started, I would talk about the deals, the challenges, the struggles I was going through in real estate on Instagram stories and Instagram posts, when Instagram posts were like a thing before Instagram Reels took over. And so people knew who I was 7 years ago in my local market. They're like, oh, that's that guy that does that creative stuff, that weird guy, you know? But I was so consistent that it didn't matter what my quality was. People just knew what I was doing every day. Like people are like, oh, there's Pace, he's gonna tell us what he's eating for lunch today.
Chicken wings, right?
Yeah.
One of my first YouTube videos, I bet it's so trash.
It's garbage.
Is it?
Yeah. It's a vertical filmed video that's like you film someone talking at it. It's like at someone's house.
Oh my gosh, I remember that. That was literally 3 years ago this month.
Yeah.
And I posted that and I didn't post anything for like another year. Something like that.
Here, Corbin, you want to stand on the table with me and put your head through the balloon? Put your head in here. I was talking about you this morning. I was like, everybody on the channel knows Bobster the Lobster. Bobby was very, very integral part of this YouTube channel.
At the beginning.
Love you, brother. Dude, what are you talking about? You still are, dude. Thank you. Thank you, dude. This is amazing. Like I literally, normally when I'm not filming with you guys today, I'll do 15, 20 stories throughout my day and just document everything I'm doing. I've been doing that for 7 years. So then I took it seriously when I realized like, wow, I can buy a lot of real estate from other people. If I teach them how I'm finding real estate, they go find the real estate and bring it to me. And I was like, let me teach everybody like all my cool little secret tips and tricks and all that stuff. And then like this year, we bought $200 million in real estate. Like that's a crazy number to even think about. Like other people are like, how do I buy one rental this year? We bought 1,100, 1,200 rentals this year. And a lot of that has to do with the brand. And so I realized that about 2 years ago. So I started hiring people and realizing like, wow, media and your brand will bring so many more opportunities than hard work ever will. I mean, obviously it has hard work to do with it, but you have to have both. Bro, thank you. This is amazing. How did you get this like with a K? Mom, come up here on this table and let's take a family photo in front of the 100K. Corbin, say 100K.
100K.
I tell people all the time, I go, I'll be in like a Zoom, I'll go, how many of you guys, there's 300 people in the Zoom, how many of you guys are currently branding yourself? And like 10, 15 people are like, me. 180 to 250 people go, not me, not yet, I'm working on it. I go, I got a secret for you. Whether you're posting on social media or not, you are branding yourself. Your branding yourself is inconsistent, lack of self-confidence, no desire to help other people figure it out. You're branding yourself as a non-giver. And so either whether you post or you use media or not, you are branding yourself. It just doesn't look good on you. And then people are like, holy shit, you're right. I am branding myself. I look like somebody who thinks they're better than media. Like, I don't need to do all that social media stuff. Like I get so many people go, man, yeah, you and all that little social media stuff. I'm like, all right, bro, all right. Meanwhile, you're over there cold calling, trying to find your next rental. And I got I got people that are learning from me every single day that are bringing me more deals than I could ever find on my own. You go ahead and just keep thinking that way. David, our director of photography for A&E, he's taking a masterclass from Sean Cannell on YouTube. And today our YouTube channel was used as the example of how to get to 100,000 subs. I got a personal text message from Sean Cannell this morning too, saying the second we hit 100,000, he sent me a text. He was yeah, it was cool. So there's this guy named Ben Shapiro. Okay, I don't know if you follow Ben Shapiro.
I know that name.
He's a really conservative Jewish guy, very political. Okay, so like forget about the politics. But I saw this Instagram reel about 2 years ago when Instagram Reels was like starting to happen. He was posting these IGTV videos, like little snippets from his YouTube channel. And Ben Shapiro says, I'm no longer gonna be Ben Shapiro the human, I'm gonna be Ben Shapiro the media company. And I was like, why? And then he went into like the details of owning your own media and going out there and spreading the message of what you're trying to talk about. And he talked about creating clones of yourself. Every time you make a video, you've created a clone of yourself that will now talk on your behalf for the rest of your life. And I was like, let's start making clones. Because everybody asks themselves, how do I clone myself? I wish I had 2 of me. It's like, well, I have, on our YouTube channel, we have 1,200 paces constantly playing. We had 600,000 views this month on our YouTube channel. So how many of those clones are working on our behalf right now? That's freaking cool.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you so much. It means the world to us. We spend a lot of time, energy, resources, a lot of money, honestly, has gone into this YouTube channel. I don't think a lot of people realize how hard it is to get to 100,000, especially in our niche. Like real estate's a niche, right? If I wanted to get to like millions of subscribers, I would have never chosen creative finance. It's a horrible topic to talk about. Creative finance is like niche within a niche, within a niche, within a niche. And the fact that we've hit 100,000 means that us and our team, we have a massive team, guys. We have Kelly Hanno, Giselle Ballman, Carly, Caroline, we've got Molly, we've got Allison, Heidi, Eric, Bobby, we've got the freaking Connor, Ryan, so many amazing people on our team, Mitch, Amanda, like I could go on and on and on. We have so many people behind the scenes working on this brand and this business because we get to see and hear how this business and what we teach has changed your guys' life, your ability to make money. The other day we were at a Bigger Pockets party and somebody comes up to me and goes, dude, your YouTube channel has made me a better husband. Your YouTube channel has made me a better father. So even outside of creative finance, we get all the compliments, and we just want to thank you guys so much for being loyal and subscribing, and just want to let you guys know we love you, we appreciate you, and we want to double down on what we're doing and how efficient we are with the value and the education that we provide you guys. So thank you so much. Next time we hit 200,000 subscribers, we'll probably have another one of these little babies. Yay!